everyone, welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we're here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're here for a short little trip. We're gonna walk around and just see if there's any new updates and just see what we could find. So come along and let's go. Okay, so of course we started our day with the studio tour because the line is the shortest at that time. Since the last time I came, Universal Studios Hollywood has dropped their entire Halloween Horror Nights lineup. So we do know that for sure that will be the Killer Clowns maze. And again, the front wasn't so different, but they are adding like some more props. But as we get to the Terre Tram, they did add some more pumpkins like along that area. You can see a ton of more lighting and sound, like speakers going up.
Worlds. I'll start top three. Steven Spielberg. One of the many great directors we've had the opportunity to work with here at Universal Studios. Another one, his name is Jordan Peele. He's an Oscar winner, and he's got a movie out right now called...
And now we do know what the Terre Tram is. Officially, we have Hollywood Harry. He is coming back. But not only that, it's gonna be with Jordan Peele's Us and Nope. So the Tethered are coming back. They will be in the Nope section, and it will be with Nope as well. I'm pretty happy that we're actually gonna be able to walk through the Nope set. For some reason, I just thought we were gonna go through the tram, but no, we will be able to be walking that set come Halloween Horror Nights. So that is super exciting. The event is getting so close, and I will be here opening night, and I cannot wait. So now, as you exit the studio tour, they do have a photo up. We did see him in the Curious George parking lot last week. So this is pretty cool. Look at this. So when you come to Horror Nights, you get your photo opportunity here. Not only did they bring that in, but they did change like the Hollywood sign. It's bloody, and this too. Okay, we have another photo up for Halloween Horror Nights. Look at this. Scene title, Never Go Alone. And it has like teeth, like little... That is so cool. We are here for our Super Nintendo weekly update. And again, not like too many visible changes. They are working inside Bowser's castle at the moment. That is what the land is looking like. And look at the pipe. The warp pipe is definitely coming along. That is super exciting. And as for the mural, nothing too different. Super exciting though. Down here on the lower lot, it looks as though they are putting up this booth. Last year was like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre barbecue, but this year I'm not sure. But it is up, so pretty soon we will be seeing what they'll be serving here. It's definitely just like a tent at this current moment. All right, since the last time I came, they are further along with this Dia de los Muertos area. As you can see, the bar is currently being built and set up. Not only that, but they do have some props here in La Plaza. Let's take a look at some of them. All right, here is where I believe you're gonna be able to get some food. It is Little Cocina. As you know, they have Cocina Mexicana, but they probably will be selling food here as well during the event. It's interesting to see like all the stuff from Curious George come to this area, because when it's covered, I didn't know what it was, but now you could tell what it is being uncovered. They have brought this back, super cool. Right here's another area. Last time they had like the scare actors. Well, they were like so scary. They looked actually really cool. But I guess they're not gonna be here in this location. Do have like all these props. Again, I had seen this wagon at Curious George. I was wondering what they were gonna do with it. And now we could see it here. Mariachi de los Muertos. Right here you do have like some conchitas. They did not have this last year. So this is super cool to see. It's the legend of La Llorona. Here is a description of La Llorona, just in case you don't know if you haven't heard of her. But that is super cool that they have this as well. Again, I love like all the details, all like the little designs. It is just looking so good. So Plaza de los Muertos is really coming along. This is the place you're gonna come if you want a drink, some food. It's a really cool vibe. It's so vibrant at night. I really do enjoy it. I'm so glad they brought it back. And you can see they're really setting up for it. But last year they had like these birria tacos. I didn't try them. I heard that they were good. But they have started decorating around, you know, giving it that branding. Plaza de los Muertos. We got the refreshment booth that's decorated like in a decal. And we also have like another, I don't know, I believe merch booth probably. You could buy some stuff as well. Now that the Halloween Horror Night houses have been announced. I could finally say with confirmation, this will be La Llorona, the Weeping Woman. So, of course, a lot of people knew because the facade was so similar, but now it is confirmed. So, super excited for this house. And it seems like they're still adding like some forestry in front, so they're still not done. So, I can't wait to see it when it's once completed. Last time I came, we didn't know the official scare zone for this area on French Street. It is going to be El Pueblo de Terre. And I'm going to walk around and just show you some new props that weren't there last time that I haven't seen. Right here is a new prop that they didn't have last time in the scare zone when I came. It's closed right now, but I wonder if they're going to have like a talking skeleton, maybe like trying to sell some tobacco. We shall see. Also, this guy wasn't on the horse last time I came. And it looks as though that is El Charro Negro. I don't know all of these urban legends, but definitely looks the same as that guy over there. Another new prop that they didn't have last time I came. Let's see if we can take a little look inside. Definitely have some skeleton of some sort. Also, looks like Minion Cafe is getting its overlay once again. I do like when they add some other like Halloween throughout the park. Now if they would just do like some Treehouse of Horror overlay at The Simpsons, now that would be super awesome. A missed opportunity, but at least they are decorating the Minion Cafe. Okay, I know this was here last week, but it's the first time I've seen it. It's another scare zone that they announced. It is the sideshow Slaughterhouse. Again, they have some props. They have the two-headed lady, a bearded lady, a lady with one eye. So that is what the theme is going to be here in this area. And they have another little prop. Every time I see like a little latched area, I just hope someone will be here with the crowd interacting. It might be Madame Ravencroft, fortune teller, and palm reader. I like when they have little interactive booths like this throughout the event. So like I was saying, stage 52, gate 27, you have to go to like the character meet and greet spots if you want to actually meet them. But if you want like a quick little say hello, it's a good spot to be in. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm telling you, if you stand by stage 52, you just get the characters going in and out. And here is Scooby Gang. Hi! Hi! Not following far behind. We have Frankenstein scaring the crowd. Oh, look at it, they're all together. They better run away because Frankenstein is coming for them. Gabby, she has to go. Gabby. We got the bride and Frankenstein, and they were both practicing, maybe. Babies in their future. We shall see. But I'm telling you, stand there, see a bunch of characters. We have a new Loungefly alert here in the Universal Studios store, and it is the Back to the Future one. I did see this one in Orlando, but it finally made its way over to Hollywood, and it is pretty cool. On the sides, it has like the fire streaks. And right there it says, out of time. So not only do they have the backpack, but they also have this little bag. That is so cool as well. That's a really awesome Loungefly. Oh, and in the back we have the Fire Flames and the DeLorean. They still have these over here if you're interested. Jaws, the Bride and Frankenstein, and some Universal Monsters, and E.T. I do like this little E.T. snow globe, it's pretty cool. Okay, so today we upgraded for preferred parking, so that's why I'm not going to be going to the Curious George parking lot this week. I'll try to go next week though. Just to let you know, if you are a pass member and your pass has parking, all you have to do is pay like the difference for the preferred parking. So today we just had to pay $15 and we got to park closer. They either put you in the Frankenstein parking lot or the Woody Woodpecker. So today we were at the Woody Woodpecker. But on a hot day like this, I do recommend it because you just want to get to your car as fast as you can. So we parked in preferred parking. Front of the gate is right there, but so like I said, on a hot day like this, especially if you have a pass, I think it's really good to upgrade. All right, everyone. So there wasn't like so many updates. A lot of them were just Halloween Horror Nights, especially because that is coming very soon. But of course, as you know, we will be back next week just to see what they have. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.